think it was that way.
No, there.
No,
There, there.
because it was so okay.
Yes. I remark my memory.
Oh.
Yes, very light, delicious.
No, it was. Cause this is the road, so we need to. It was.
There, 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 there. There.
Yeah.
You good, you
I
good,
told you.
you good.
Let's go. This is. I don't want to go to garbage. Let's go back and.
I think bird.
No.
Okay, if you know, okay. I think over there, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Come on.
I mean, I've been here a few times, so I remember a little
Hmm.
of where we are.
I know now the street.
Somewhere. No,
That is
oh wait.
dead end.
It is Jaga.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we need to go there and left.
We go there.
No, I think it was.
I think over there. So you need to go straight and boom. The street.
Okay. I somehow thought it was behind us over there. It is.
We just over there and then go. We just try.
Record.
Yeah.
Oh, it is going in the other direction.
Hmm.
I think it's behind us. We need to go. Maybe right up. Let's find out.
Here. Exactly. Exactly. Now we can ask, where's the little
No,
level?
let's see, we see him. It's fine. It's not just a picture.
Huh?
'Cause we don't want like. I think that.
His house over there.
Yeah.
You know the house, remember the house.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that.
Kid house
I think
here.
that's him right there. Actually, I think.
Kid house here.
Yeah, I think he. I think it was him right there.
Would you want to knock?
I think he's right there.
Come on, confront. Hello again.
Let's see if
Just say
the one that was crying. I think that's him.
he's crying again?
I think
Oh my god,
is that
crying
him?
again. Hey, my friend. Remember, friend?
I think. Hi. I think that's him, isn't it? Yeah. Hi.
Doon kayo nakatira? O siya nga.
Yeah, I think that's the kid.
Siya yung nakaraan? Diyan nakatira. Saan? Ah, saan yung
Hey, Marlon.
Hey.
I think he's the kid. I think he's the kid.
Sige.
But he's not in the mood, so it's okay.
So,
We can just keep going. He's not in the mood.
he don't have more. He crying again.
Yeah.
Next year. He's there, leaving.
Yeah, I remember. Hi.
Check your things.
Yeah, they're all tethered. There's not, you can't snatch it. Everything is on cable. Hey, bro!
So now we go to anak. And
Yeah,
then
we gotta go.
I will try if I see who is the coordinator now, and then say
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah. Hi, high five. High five. Hi.
We fine. Or if you want to go to Baseco, because you
Let's
did
go,
not
no, let's go.
you did not go Baseco anymore.
I've done Chibaseco before.
Not yet.
Yeah, I've been to Baseco before. There was a guy that ran, like Australian guy that ran a charity in Baseco. So I've been to Baseco like 4 or 5 times. So I've been to many places, so it's okay. Let's go to Anaxian Cave first. Then if we have time, we'll go to Baseco.
I know.
You have to
I'm
do
not
it.
ready.
You are, but you are. They want to see you.
No.
You are not a drug user, drug pusher.
Stop
You,
talking about that.
you are. You have a place to stay. You have a job. They will be very happy to see you, and it's important for them to see success. Like you may not be the corrupt government official,
Government officials.
you know,
It's okay talking about
but I
have
think
my,
I think it's very good for for them to see you. But I think I mean
so we go then.
yeah.
Oh no, I forgot. Where's the location? Forgot.
Go find the Google Maps.
No, I can search here. I cannot see it here. That is the wait. That is the last. That is the Oh, that is the last ano. Wait. I have no Wi-Fi. I have no Wi-Fi.
What are we looking for?
I think there's a this one is come back.
Delivery?
Anak Foundation. I'm thirsty. You thirsty? Come on, we drink. Ito nga po. Tatlo. What's your favorite po?
No, I don't want to. I'm afraid.
Friends, this
Yeah, yeah. No, yeah, no. There's the part. Do they have bottled water?
bottled water daw siya. Bottled water. Magkano daw?
10 pesos lang po.
10.
Isa na lang po yung bottle po.
Oo, ito po. Pumikit, wala na daw.
Wala na kung ano eh. Wala na.
Go to another. Thank you. Pabili.
Well, if you guys want to get water there, I mean, I'm fine with you guys getting that. I just can't drink it.
Yes, sir.
Do you have bottled water?
No more.
Okay.
This one. Yan, mineral.
No.
No.
Diba siya? Saan ay?
Meron, hindi pa lang eh. No po. Hindi siya.
Hot but not cold. Hot bottled water but not cold.
Yeah, yeah. If it's not cold, it's okay. Yeah, yeah. Hi, Poppy. Hi. Hi.
Ano, 35 or no?
Hi.
Ayan, malaki. Malaki espasyo nito eh.
Hi.
Hi, kamusta po ang first araw nyo? English, late eh. I'm so tired. Tired. Halatang di natulog oh. Halatang
25 pesos.
may tinambayan ka lang.
2 ba? 2 or 1
Do
lang?
you want one or two?
Just one.
Do you want one? Okay.
Yes.
Hi.
Stop.
Hi.
Higiting egg. Hawakan mo nga. Ma-apply
Yeah,
niya
let's
lang.
go get you guys said. How much is that? Indian cave? What's the name of it? I'm not... Right, no probability, right? I mean, they're in caves and secrets, so they have something too, right?